From 13 to the 16th of July, Hyundai made its inaugural appearance at the globally recognized Goodwood Festival of Speed in the United Kingdom, using the grand stage to debut its eagerly anticipated high-performance electric vehicle, the IONIQ 5N. This event, held in England's most prestigious sporting estate, showcased Hyundai's new entry to its high-performance N line. The IONIQ 5N signifies a monumental step in Hyundai's roadmap towards a sustainable, electrified future, further solidifying the brand's commitment to environmentally conscious innovations. Hyundai's presence at the festival was headlined by the N Moment, a demonstration of the IONIQ 5N and the IONIQ 5 N Drift Spec show car maneuvering the iconic 1.87-kilometer Hillclimb course. This thrilling performance provided an awe-inspiring showcase of the capabilities and high-performance features of Hyundai's first electrified N model, generating significant excitement among the attendees and fans worldwide. Adding to the robust exhibition, the IONIQ 5N was presented alongside other high-performance vehicles in the Hyundai N Motorsport lineup. This impressive array included the i30 NTCR, Elantra NTCR, i20 NWRC, and the experimental Envision 74 Rolling Lab. The display of the entire N family demonstrated Hyundai's commitment to creating high-performance vehicles across different segments, further highlighting the brand's innovative capabilities. The unveiling of the IONIQ 5N was attended by several top Hyundai executives who contributed to the development and success of this landmark vehicle. This included Jae-hoon Chang, President and CEO of Hyundai Motor Company, Till Wartenberg, Vice President and Head of N Brand and Motorsport at Hyundai Motor Company, Simon Losby, Head of Hyundai Styling Group at Hyundai Design Center in Korea, and Albert Biermann, Executive Technical Advisor for Hyundai Motor Group. Their presence underscored the importance Hyundai placed on the launch of their first mass-production all-electric high-performance vehicle. To ensure an impactful and memorable world premiere of the IONIQ 5N, Hyundai established an impressive three-story exhibition stand at the festival. This grand platform was a testament to Hyundai's dedication to boosting its brand presence and engaging with attendees in an interactive and visually striking manner. Through this prominent presence at the Goodwood Festival of Speed, Hyundai successfully launched the IONIQ 5N, symbolizing a new era for the brand's commitment to high performance and sustainable mobility. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.